A buyer makes an offer on a home that is accepted by the seller. The contract includes a financing contingency, giving the buyer time to secure a mortgage loan. A week later, the buyer's loan application is denied, and they decide to cancel the purchase. What happens to the buyer's earnest money deposit in this situation? A. The seller keeps the earnest money because the buyer failed to complete the purchase. B. The earnest money is refunded to the buyer because the financing contingency was not met. C. The earnest money is split equally between the buyer and seller. D. The listing broker automatically keeps the earnest money as a service fee. Correct answer, B. The earnest money is refunded to the buyer because the financing contingency was not met. A financing contingency protects the buyer by making the contract conditional upon loan approval. If the buyer acts in good faith but cannot secure financing within the agreed timeframe, they may terminate the contract without penalty. In this case, the earnest money deposit must be returned to the buyer. This type of contingency ensures that buyers are not forced to purchase a property if they are unable to obtain a mortgage. For example, if a lender denies the loan due to low credit or insufficient income, and the buyer provides the required documentation within the contingency period, the seller cannot claim the deposit. If, however, the buyer fails to apply for financing or misses deadlines, they could lose their protection and forfeit the earnest money.